If you're looking at the demonstration, I'm not rushing laying my strips at all. I'm taking my time to make nice, neat strips because this allows for a more comfortable experience. I'm not sure why you guys think that a 10-minute service equals an uncomfortable service. I keep seeing you guys say, I want my clients to be comfortable. I want my clients to be comfortable. What about this seems uncomfortable? I did see someone say they wouldn't do one big labia strip. They would do two. But if your goal is comfort, why cause pain to the same area twice instead of doing one strip and getting it over with? My technique allows for efficiency and accuracy. So it doesn't take me 25 minutes to do a Brazilian. I could do a couple of services in 25 minutes because the technique that I use. Heavy on the technique that I use, okay? I'm about efficiency. I'm about getting my clients in and out. I'm about maximizing on my time, and that's exactly what I do. So yeah, if you guys would like a full demonstration on a Brazilian, I have a tutorial linked in my bio. And let me know how long your Brazilians take in the comments.
Rating Brazilian wax positions. Client has to hold her booty cheek up. The issue with this is that some people have a lot of mobility issues. Depending on, their size, a lot of times you're gonna have to crouch low like this in order to remove everything. I'm the size of a labubu, right? It's not ideal for me to be reaching in here doing this, but the biggest issue is that there are plenty of clients who cannot get into this position. Estheticians will have you lie flat down and spread your booty cheeks like this. I can see most, it's not too bad. The issue too is that down here, some people have booty cheek hair down here. This is not ideal for that skin area being taut. In this position, her skin is naturally taut. Everything naturally opens up and you just apply the wax. This is the position that you have to be in order for your esthetician to get all the hairs. Then your esthetician will probably adjust you a little bit. Maybe she'll do this. Sometimes we have to position them like this to get all the hairs from the bottom booty cheeks. You just have to accept that you will be completely exposed when we're giving you a Brazilian wax.
If you're a waxer who only uses hard wax and you've been maybe thinking about incorporating soft wax, listen, let me tell you something. I have been a hard wax girly since the start. And don't get me wrong, I still love my hard wax, but I think one of the best decisions that I made in my treatment room was incorporating soft wax into my Brazilians. Now, I was a little hesitant because I just feel like as a client, you hear soft wax hurts more and you go online and people are so scared. But let me tell you, my clients love the soft wax.